my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's recipe, I'm gonna make a pink lemonade cake. That's right, sugar, a pink lemonade cake. Another awesome end of summer dessert. It's gonna be so refreshing, it's gonna be so simple and easy, and it's gonna be bursting with pink lemonade goodness. If you're a fan of pink lemonade, you're gonna love this cake, and we're gonna make a homemade whipped cream frosting to go with it. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to So grab your cake mix and your lemon sugar, because we're about to bake some pink lemonade cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 package of white cake mix. And we're going to add in 1 cup of frozen pink lemonade concentrate that I thawed, 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, of course, 1/3 cup of canola oil, 4 jumbo egg whites that I let come to room temperature, the zest of a large lemon, the juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. And we're going to blend all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what the cake batter looked like, and on camera I added some pink food coloring to give it a little bit more pink. Look how nice and smooth that looks. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to scoop our cake batter into 2 9-round-inch cake pans that I greased with cooking spray. Alright my friends, I got my cake batter into my pans and it smells good. I can smell the lemon extract and the lemon zest and the lemon juice. It smells great. Alright, so now we're ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, I've taken my cakes out of the oven. Look how nice and pink they look. Alright, and it smells great in this kitchen. Alright, that looks perfect. So now we're going to let our cakes cool, and while they're cooling, we can get started on our homemade whipped cream frosting. My friends, in my large cold bowl I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 to 8 ounce package of cream cheese that I softened, and make sure your heavy whipping cream is nice and cold. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1.5 teaspoons of lemon extract, and we're going to whip all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, our pink lemonade whipped cream frosting is done, and off camera I added some pink food coloring. Don't that look pretty? Alright, now we're ready to frost our cakes. Alright my friends, there you have it, pink lemonade cake. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Now garnish it with a lemon and a straw to make it look like a pink lemonade drink. That looks delightful and thebomb.com. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look how nice and moist that looks. Lord have mercy. Oh my God, it melts in your mouth. This cake reminds you of drinking pink lemonade on a hot summer day. Pink lemonade-licious. I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat!